Observation and reality, the role of conscious attention in quantum physics. The curious world of quantum physics proposes some remarkable concepts that challenge our conventional understanding of reality. Among these concepts is the role of observation, a central tenet of quantum theory that implies the very act of observing affects the observed. This idea finds intriguing applications in the realm of personal development, suggesting that our conscious attention can indeed impact our personal reality. Quantum wave function and conscious observation. Delving deeper into quantum mechanics, we encounter the idea of the wave function. This mathematical representation of a quantum system gives us a probability cloud of all potential states a system can exist in. An unobserved quantum particle doesn't have a definite position or velocity, but rather a range of possible positions and velocities. This all changes when we observe the particle. The act of observation collapses the wave function, narrowing down these possibilities to a single outcome. In life, this can be paralleled to our conscious decisions and actions. We are presented with a multitude of potential paths, but the moment we make a conscious decision, we collapse those possibilities into one reality. Copenhagen interpretation and conscious reality. One of the most famous interpretations of quantum mechanics, the Copenhagen interpretation, takes the observer's role a step further. It states that the act of measurement gives particles a definite position. Before the measurement, the particle exists in several states at once, but the act of measurement forces the particle into one state. Drawing parallels to personal reality, it suggests that our conscious attention, our observations, beliefs, and expectations, can solidify a specific path in our lives. We don't just experience reality passively, we are active participants in manifesting it. The role of conscious observation in quantum manifestation. Conscious observation can be a powerful tool in what we call quantum manifestation. Quantum manifestation is the process of using our focused attention, intention, and elevated emotions to bring our desired reality into existence. Much like how the act of observing influences the behavior of quantum particles, our conscious attention, directed towards our goals and desires, can bring about significant changes in our life circumstances. This provides a fresh perspective to our ability to manifest our personal realities. Observation and the double-slit experiment. The double-slit experiment is one of the most mind-bending demonstrations of the peculiarities of quantum mechanics. When photons or electrons are fired through two slits towards a screen, they create an interference pattern indicative of wave-like behavior. However, when these particles are observed, measured, they behave like particles, not waves, and the interference pattern disappears. This experiment further underscores the power of observation and how it can influence outcomes. In our personal lives, the attention we give to certain areas, thoughts, or beliefs can significantly alter our reality's interference patterns. Observation, mindfulness, and personal reality. Drawing from these quantum concepts, we can see how conscious observation, akin to mindfulness, can play a crucial role in shaping our personal reality. Being mindful of our thoughts, emotions, and actions allows us to be active participants in the creation of our reality, rather than passive observers. Whether it's choosing positivity over negativity, fostering gratitude, or consciously setting our intentions towards our goals, every mindful act is a step towards manifesting our desired reality. In essence, understanding the role of observation in quantum physics can provide powerful insights into our personal development journey. As we consciously observe and choose our realities, we engage with the quantum field of possibilities, playing an active role in the manifestation of our life experiences. Observation in quantum physics. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. However, when these particles are observed or measured, they collapse into one specific state. This is famously demonstrated in the Schrödinger's cat thought experiment, where the cat in a box is both alive and dead until observed. This bizarre concept, known as the observer effect, implies that the act of observation determines the state of reality. The observer and the observed are intrinsically linked, and the reality is not just out there but participatory in nature. The power of conscious attention. If observation plays such a critical role in the quantum realm, what does it mean for us and our personal reality? Just as an observer affects the state of quantum particles, our conscious attention, the direction of our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, can impact the nature of our reality. Consider our thoughts as observers that collapse the superpositions of possibilities in our life. By consciously focusing our attention, we are, in a way, measuring or choosing the state of reality we wish to perceive. Drawing inspiration from quantum mechanics, we can recognize the transformative role conscious attention plays in shaping our reality. By understanding the observer's impact in the quantum realm, we begin to see the tremendous influence our focused thoughts and intentions can have on our personal lives. The observer effect and conscious attention. The observer effect in quantum mechanics illustrates that the act of observing or measuring something can change the observed system's state. This principle has profound implications for our understanding of reality, implying that we are not mere bystanders but active participants in shaping our experience. Applied to our personal lives, this means that our conscious attention, where we choose to focus our thoughts, intentions, and energies, can fundamentally influence our personal reality. Conscious attention as a quantum act. We can think of conscious attention as a quantum act, akin to a measurement in the quantum world. When we direct our attention towards something, we bring it into our conscious awareness, much like collapsing the wave function of a quantum system into a definite state. This perspective empowers us to realize that by choosing where we place our conscious attention, we are actively shaping our experience of reality. The power of positive attention. One of the practical applications of this principle is the power of positive attention. By consciously focusing on positivity, gratitude, and joy, we can create a more positive reality. This is not just wishful thinking but a practice grounded in our understanding of quantum principles. It's like tuning a radio. When we adjust the dial, our attention, we receive different frequencies, experiences. By tuning into positivity, we invite more positive experiences into our lives. Conscious attention and mindfulness. In many ways, the power of conscious attention is synonymous with the practice of mindfulness. Being mindful means being fully present and engaged in the current moment, directing our conscious attention to our thoughts, feelings, and actions. By practicing mindfulness, we can gain greater control over our conscious attention, allowing us to shape our reality more purposefully and effectively. Conscious attention and quantum manifestation. The concept of quantum manifestation is also closely tied to conscious attention. By focusing our thoughts, intentions, and emotions on our desired outcomes, we can potentially influence the quantum field and manifest these outcomes in our reality. Just as a quantum particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously, our reality can also be seen as a superposition of possibilities. Through our conscious attention, we choose the reality we want to manifest. In conclusion, the power of conscious attention offers us an empowering perspective on our capacity to shape our reality. Drawing on quantum principles, we can understand that our focused thoughts and intentions can have a tangible impact on our lives, offering us a path towards personal growth and transformation. This understanding is an essential step towards mastering quantum transmutation. Quantum observation and personal development. From a personal development perspective, the role of observation in quantum physics provides a metaphorical basis for understanding the power of our minds and intentions. Just as the observer influences the outcome in the quantum world, our beliefs and attitudes can shape our life experiences. Positive thinking, goal setting, and visualization can thus be seen as quantum acts of observation, collapsing the myriad possibilities into the desired reality. Quantum mechanics, with its peculiar phenomena like quantum entanglement and non-locality, provides a fascinating lens to view our own interconnectedness. These principles offer profound insights into the nature of relationships, fostering a deeper understanding of our interconnected existence. Quantum non-locality, redefining connection. Quantum non-locality, one of the most intriguing aspects of quantum physics, describes how two or more particles can be entangled in such a way that the state of one instantaneously affects the others, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon, which Albert Einstein famously dubbed spooky action at a distance, challenges our traditional notions of space and time. Applying this concept to our understanding of relationships and connection, it suggests that our actions and states of being can have far-reaching impacts, transcending physical distance and time constraints. This perspective encourages us to recognize the ripple effects of our actions, fostering a sense of responsibility and care towards our relationships and interactions. The quantum web of interconnectedness. Quantum non-locality implies a deeply interconnected universe where every part influences the other. This interconnectedness can be visualized as a complex quantum web, where each thread represents a connection, and each node signifies an individual. In this quantum web, our thoughts, actions, and intentions can create vibrations that propagate through the network, influencing others and the world around us. Recognizing this interconnectedness fosters empathy, compassion, and understanding, crucial qualities for harmonious coexistence. Interconnectedness and collective consciousness. The principles of quantum non-locality and entanglement also offer a compelling basis for the concept of collective consciousness. If we accept that our thoughts and emotions can have non-local effects, it opens up the possibility that our collective thoughts and emotions can influence our shared reality. This concept encourages us to be mindful of the energy we contribute to this collective consciousness. By focusing on positive, constructive thoughts and emotions, we can help shape a more positive collective reality. Quantum connection and personal relationships. On a personal level, the principle of quantum non-locality and entanglement encourages us to reconsider our relationships' nature. It suggests that deep, invisible bonds connect us, transcending physical separateness. This perspective can lead to a more profound appreciation of our relationships, fostering deeper connections based on mutual understanding and respect. In conclusion, quantum non-locality and the principle of entanglement offer powerful metaphors for understanding our interconnectedness. Recognizing this interconnectedness invites us to act more mindfully and compassionately, knowing that our thoughts, intentions, and actions can have far-reaching impacts. It forms a significant part of the quantum transmutation journey, highlighting our potential to influence and be influenced by the complex quantum web of life. Participatory reality, the intersection of science and consciousness. The concept of participatory reality, derived from the observer effect, intersects the realms of science and consciousness. This idea proposes that we are not merely passive observers of an external reality but active participants in creating our own reality. Through conscious observation, our focused thoughts and beliefs, we may influence the outcomes in our lives. This perspective fosters a sense of empowerment and responsibility for our reality. In conclusion, the role of observation in quantum physics offers a transformative lens to view our personal reality. It suggests that our conscious attention is not a trivial aspect of our existence, but a powerful tool that can shape our life experiences. As we delve deeper into the quantum self, we will explore more about how these principles can be applied for personal growth and transformation. Quantum visualization, manifesting goals with quantum principles. Quantum mechanics, with its paradoxical phenomena and radical departure from classical physics, offers us a unique lens to reimagine visualization techniques. By harnessing quantum principles, we can refine our visualization practices to become more effective in manifesting our goals. Quantum superposition and visualization. One of the foundational concepts in quantum mechanics is superposition, where a quantum system can exist in multiple states at once, only settling into a particular state upon measurement. This concept invites us to imagine our goals as existing in a state of superposition, as a multitude of potential realities waiting to be realized. In practical terms, we can use the concept of superposition to visualize our goals more dynamically. Instead of envisioning a singular outcome, we can visualize multiple potential outcomes, each representing a different possibility for success. This approach creates a more flexible and adaptable mindset, preparing us for various paths to success. Quantum entanglement and visualization. Quantum entanglement is another phenomenon in quantum physics that can inform our visualization techniques. Entanglement refers to the deep connection between quantum particles, such that the state of one particle immediately affects the state of the other, regardless of distance. We can think of our goals and the actions needed to achieve them as entangled. Just as changing one particle's state instantaneously changes the state of its entangled partner, taking actions towards our goals can bring us closer to realizing them. By visualizing our goals and the actions required to achieve them as intertwined, we cultivate a more proactive and committed approach towards goal realization. Quantum tunneling and overcoming obstacles. Quantum tunneling, the phenomenon where particles can cross barriers that classical physics deems impassable, provides a powerful metaphor for overcoming obstacles. When we encounter barriers in our path towards our goals, we can use quantum tunneling as a reminder that there is always a way through, even if it seems impossible from a traditional standpoint. In our visualization practices, we can imagine ourselves harnessing this quantum ability to navigate through challenges, fostering resilience and determination. Quantum resonance and attracting opportunities. Quantum resonance refers to the harmonious interaction between quantum systems that share similar properties. Applied to our visualization practices, we can think of ourselves as resonating with the opportunities that align with our goals and intentions. By visualizing ourselves in harmony with these opportunities, we attract experiences that align with our goals, effectively turning visualization into a form of quantum manifestation. In conclusion, integrating quantum principles into our visualization practices offers a more dynamic, resilient, and effective approach to goal manifestation. It reinforces our proactive role in shaping our reality, empowering us on our journey of quantum transmutation.